welcome back to Vinteractive. In this training session, we're focusing on one of the features that makes PreferencePro unique, the ability to automate email testing. In this video, you'll learn how to set up an automated test in PreferencePro. You'll see how you can customize your test criteria and view your results. To create an automated test in PreferencePro, select the Authoring menu and click New Split Test. From here, you can name your test and assign it to a category. In this case, we'll assign this test to our A/B testing category. The next step is to select your test criteria. The idea of a split test is to compare the results generated by two or more different messages. So PreferencePro allows you to test delivery date, delivery time, subject line, message content, and the email address that you're sending from. In this example, we'll test the subject line used for an anniversary message. You can test two or more messages at a time by creating new test groups and entering different subject lines and pre-headers. Since this is a subject line test, both versions will use the same saved message. You can edit your message settings and layout if you want. And once you confirm the test message, you can target your audience by setting segmentation filters. Then you can select the type of test you want to run. You can determine the winner of your test by which message produced the best open rate, read rate, click rate, and click to open ratio. The default testing method in PreferencePro is a winner-takes-all contest, where you can choose what percentage of your list will be tested, then automatically mail the winning message to the remainder of your list. The larger your list is, the smaller you can make your test. Finally, you can set the duration of your test and even resend the winning version to your test group. After a final review, you can start your test and let PreferencePro do the work. To see your results, click on View Split Tests to compare the results achieved by your different test messages. And that's all it takes to set up automated testing in PreferencePro. To learn more, visit us at www.vinteractive.com or search help.listtrack.com for answers and expert advice to getting the most out of PreferencePro.